Hey everyone! Welcome back to Keto Essentials. I'm Rose, and today we're diving into some amazing keto breakfast ideas that are perfect for those hectic mornings. Whether you're rushing to work, wrangling kiddos, or just need something quick and healthy, I've got you covered. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our delicious keto recipes. 1. Keto Avocado and Egg Breakfast Muffins. First up, we have Keto Avocado and Egg Breakfast Muffins. These bite-sized delights are packed with healthy fats and protein to kickstart your day. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, 1 ripe avocado, 1/2 cup shredded cheese cheddar, or mozzarella salt and pepper to taste instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and season with salt and pepper. Dice the avocado into small pieces. In a muffin tin, place a few avocado pieces and some shredded cheese into each cup. Pour the whisked eggs over the avocado and cheese in each cup. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the muffins are set and slightly golden. These muffins can be made ahead and stored in the fridge for up to a week, making them perfect for meal prepping. Keto yogurt with berries and nuts. Next, we have a super easy and refreshing keto yogurt with berries and nuts. This one is a no-cook option that's loaded with flavor. Ingredients: 1 cup full-fat Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup mixed. Berries: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, a drizzle of sugar-free sweetener, optional instructions. Scoop the yogurt into a bowl. Top with mixed berries and chopped nuts. Drizzle with a sugar-free sweetener if you like it a bit sweeter. This is a fantastic grab-and-go breakfast that you can whip up in just minutes. Keto Green Goodness Smoothie. Lastly, we have a Green Goodness Keto Smoothie. This is great for those mornings when you need something quick and packed with nutrients. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 avocado, 1 handful spinach, 1 scoop of protein powder, keto-friendly ice cubes. Instructions: blend all ingredients in a blender until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. This smoothie not only keeps you full, but it's also a great way to sneak in some greens first thing in the morning. I hope you enjoyed these quick and delicious keto breakfast ideas. Comment down below which one you're excited to try, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.